Okay, today I'm here to unbox and eat the raffle item I got from the Trips when they have their Christmas live stream. No, I forgot to do one more. He sealed it really well. Okay. It is the President's Choice, the Decadent chocolate chip cookie. And Steve from the Trip said this is the best cookie ever, or something to that effect. So I was happy I won this one. So let's see. I got a little breakage in transit. Let me get one that looks nice. Here we go. So just a few of them got broken. So they got a lot of chocolate chips in there. And this is a hard type of cookie, not a soft one. Let's see, made with real butter and chocolate chips since 1988. Oh, it's in, and the Canadians have their languages are both English and French. So one side's French and the other side's English. Even the even the nutritional information, one side's French and one side's English. Oh, no, that's it. So let me try this out. So these are really good. They got so many chips in there. It's very chocolatey, but you got the crunch of the cookie. And 2 cookies is 170 calories. You know it's good when it's a lot of calories, right? It says something about Rainforest Alliance. Oh, it's Rainforest Alliance certified. And that alliance supports sustainable cocoa farming practices. And the Rainforest Alliance certified farmers make efforts to maintain their land sustainably and to protect the environment while also benefiting from improved livelihoods. So it's a good cookie, and it's benefiting the environment. So I'd like to thank the Trips for sending me this President's Choice Decadent chocolate chip cookie. It really is delicious. So I'm going to give it an A. If you happen to be in Canada, it's apparently at their President's Choice. I don't know which store that is. That might be the store. Or Loblaws. Anyway, wherever they have this thing in Canada, this cookie in Canada, if you happen to see it, it is excellent. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on also get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.